In this video, I'm going to show you a super easy way to scan documents in iOS 26. This is different than taking a picture. This is the document I'm going to scan right here. It's notes on a course I'm creating for a different channel that I have. And I can just take a picture of it, and that's great. Saves it as a picture. I could then convert that to a PDF. But why do all those steps when I can just scan it as a document, create the PDF instantly, and just save myself a lot of time? To do this is really simple. Open the Files app, go to On My Phone, this is where we're going to save it, tap on the three dots in the top right, and then tap on Scan Documents. And now I can put this document in view of my phone. If I keep moving the phone around, it's not going to take a picture, but you can see how it highlights in blue the piece that it thinks that I want to scan, and then eventually it does take a scan of it. But I'm just trying to show you that you can move it around and reposition it. You have a bit of time to get it just right. And then once it figures it's got the whole thing, it takes a photo. And that's pretty close, but I don't like these shadows and things, so I'm going to try again. You can just tap on Retake as well. Just going to zoom out far enough. I'll show you the end result in a second. There it is. Here's the end result. And there's the scanned document. I can now adjust it, use filters, rotate it, delete it, or retake. I can zoom in. Looks pretty sweet. If I'm happy with it, I tap on the back arrow, then the check mark right there, and it saves it right here as scanned document. I can now rename it. I'm going to call it Course Notes. Tap on Finish. And now if I tap into it, and I tap on this little down arrow here, I see it's a PDF document. We don't need to convert it or anything. I can zoom in, say this part right here is really important. I'll double tap and hold on it. We get the little selection boxes, and I'll try to drag them. They're kind of small, but there we go. Maybe I want to highlight this. There, look at that. That looks like a nice highlight job. It's not perfect, but it's better than nothing. And now with that highlight in there, I can now send this to somebody using my sharing options, and then we can collaborate on this document if we want to. The Notes app can scan documents as well, but it's not as handy, I find, because in the Files app, it saves it as a PDF right in your Files app. And if you have lots of documents to scan, you can just create a new folder. Just tap on these three dots here. New folder. Call it whatever you want. Scans, for example. And then you can just tap into that and scan documents using the three dots, and all the documents be scanned right into this folder. Just makes it really easy and convenient because it makes PDFs right away out of those documents. And it just takes a few seconds to scan a document. And of course, these documents are going to take up quite a bit of space. So if you want to find more space on your phone, check out this video right here so you can scan as many documents as you want because you have plenty of space. So check out that video. And if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on that one.